Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Human Diseases and Genes. In this video, I will discuss about Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria Syndrome. Progeria, specifically Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria Syndrome, that is HGPS, was first described by Dr. Jonathan Hutchinson in 1886. Hutchinson reported a case of young child who exhibited symptoms of premature aging. Later, in 1897, Dr. Hastings-Gilford independently described the same syndrome, further detailing its clinical features. It is a rare genetic disorder characterized by rapid aging in children. The most common form of progeria is Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria Syndrome, which affects physical appearance and health, leading to symptoms that resemble accelerated aging. Symptoms of progeria include physical characteristics like alopecia, that is, hair loss, wrinkled and thin skin, short stature, small face with a large head, prominent eyes, big nose, atherosclerosis, that is hardening of the arteries, early in life, osteoporosis, and other bone-related issues. The condition significantly reduces life expectancy. Most individuals with progeria live into their teens or early 20s, with cardiovascular disease being a leading cause of death. Progeria is caused by a mutation in the LMNA gene, which encodes the lamin A protein, an essential component of the nuclear envelope. Lamin A and C gene is located on long arm of chromosome 1 at position 21.2, consists of 12 X. The most common mutation associated with HGPS is a single nucleotide gene, that is G608G, that creates a defective form of lamin A called progerin. Progerin disrupts normal cell function, leading to the premature aging symptom. The LMNA gene encodes lamin A and lamin C, which are structural components of nuclear lamina, a network of proteins that lines the inner surface of the nuclear envelope. This structure provides support and helps regulate various nuclear processes. The most common mutation with HSP is single nucleotide polymorphism. This is all about Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria syndrome. There is no cure for this disorder, and thanks for watching my video. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Share this video with friends or family to spread awareness. If you have any queries or questions or personal experience or stories with this disease, drop a comment. Don't miss my next video. Until then, stay informed and take care of yourself. Thank you.